what the LOP addressed us here is not what he is responding to. You are simply giving us a general report, but he specified about 8 areas which you have not hinted on. Firstly, like you said, we have a deadline of August. CAF is coming back in August. You have said government has done this and that. Have you given us a deadline on when these things are going to be done? Because CAF is going to come and inspect in August. Will this time be enough for us to be ready, especially in Hoima? Then secondly, Madam Speaker, the issues entailed in the LOP's presentation. For example, the stands, the benches which are obstructing the VIP. Have you handled that in your report? And then also, Madam Speaker, I want to ask the Minister, the contractor you got, why didn't you get professionals to work on this page and to approve? And the plan you have, why didn't you share with CAF? Because they are the ones who are supposed to inspect. Where did you get the plan you used for Hoima City Stadium? And so I want you to please give us the real report that we require, this House requires. Another issue was CAF was telling you to break, especially the changing rooms, because they were very small. I don't see that in your report. Or maybe you just give us a highlight, please. We want Uganda to host, but we want us to be ready. I thank you.